Imagine you're sitting at home. Maybe you're eating pizza. Maybe you're scrolling through YouTube instead of doing something productive. Everything seems normal. Then suddenly, an asteroid the size of a mountain appears in the sky. Or a supervolcano erupts beneath a national park. Or maybe humanity accidentally creates something smarter than itself. Sounds like the plot of a Hollywood movie, right? Well, here's the scary part. Every single one of these scenarios is either scientifically possible, has happened before on a smaller scale, or is being seriously studied by experts right now. Let's begin. 1. Asteroid Impact. About 66 million years ago, an asteroid slammed into Earth and effectively ended the reign of the dinosaurs. Bad day for the dinosaurs. Great opportunity for mammals. And eventually, us. The asteroid was roughly 10 kilometers wide and hit with the force of billions of nuclear bombs. The impact triggered global wildfires, giant tsunamis, and blocked sunlight for months. Plants died, animals starved, entire ecosystems collapsed. The good news? Space agencies constantly monitor dangerous asteroids. The bad news? We haven't found all of them. Most are harmless, but if a large one were discovered heading directly toward Earth with little warning, humanity would suddenly have a very important appointment. And no, moving to another country wouldn't help. 2. Nuclear war. Humans have created many incredible inventions. The internet, airplanes, and, unfortunately, nuclear weapons. A large-scale nuclear conflict wouldn't just destroy cities. The real danger comes afterward. Massive fires could fill the atmosphere with smoke. Sunlight would decrease. Temperatures could drop. Crops could fail globally. Scientists call this a nuclear winter. Imagine surviving the initial explosions only to face years of food shortages and economic collapse. It's one of the few scenarios where humanity could create its own disaster almost overnight. 3. Global pandemic. If recent history taught us anything, it's that tiny things can cause enormous problems. A virus is invisible. It has no army, no weapons, no grand speeches. Yet it can travel across the world faster than most people. Now imagine a disease that spreads easily, is extremely deadly, and is difficult to stop. Hospitals become overwhelmed. Supply chains break down. Fear spreads almost as quickly as the disease itself. Thankfully, modern medicine has become incredibly powerful. Scientists can identify and respond to threats much faster than ever before. But nature has been inventing new viruses for millions of years, and it never takes a day off. 4. Artificial intelligence gone wrong. This one sounds like science fiction. Until you realize you're watching a video narrated by a machine-generated voice. AI is becoming more powerful every year. It can write, create images, analyze information, and perform tasks that once required humans. Most experts believe AI can be enormously beneficial, but some researchers worry about what happens if highly advanced systems pursue goals that conflict with human interests. Imagine giving a super intelligent machine the wrong objective. It might follow instructions perfectly while causing unintended consequences. Kind of like asking a genie for a wish and realizing you should have read the fine print. The challenge isn't building intelligence. It's making sure that intelligence remains aligned with human values. 5. Solar superstorm. Every second, the sun blasts energy into space. Usually that's fine. We actually need the sun. It's doing important work, like preventing Earth from becoming a giant frozen rock. A massive solar storm could send huge amounts of charged particles toward Earth. Satellites could be damaged. GPS systems could fail. Power grids could suffer major disruptions. Communications could break down. Modern civilization relies heavily on electronics, which means a sufficiently powerful solar storm could create chaos without destroying a single building. It would be like accidentally unplugging parts of civilization. Which way do you think the world is most likely to end? Comment below.